What's up, YouTube? Are you looking for reciprocating saw blades? Are you overwhelmed with the choices that are out there? You can get this brand in red, you can get that brand in white, or you can get this brand in red and white. We got a nifty set here, the Milwaukee 13-piece Sawzall blade set. Made in the USA with global materials. Let's get it open.
I know for sure that life is beautiful around the world.
I gotta tell you, man, this Milwaukee kit looks really promising. They're touting 5 times the life compared to standard bimetal blades. That's what the little asterisk says right back here. So compared to their standard blades or other standard blades, I'm not certain, but compared to standard bimetal blades, these are advertised as lasting 5 times as long. There are a lot of good standout points with this kit. Number one, if you paid $24.97, they're touting this as a $39 value. It's really awesome. If you're not aware, though, you didn't see the live stream, we'll link it here, where we were at the Home Depot store where we purchased these at the Spring Black Friday sale. And they were actually giving away a free 10-piece kit, which is touted as a $15 value for free when you buy this kit here. Pretty awesome. It's a great deal. Maybe you check out the Home Depot that's local to you. You know, maybe browse their website and see if they have any of these kits and the 10-piece kits available. Maybe you could pick this deal up. But back to the kit, let's get it open and take a look at it. If you're looking for a part number, this is part number 49-22-1113. So get it? It's 3 1s and then a 3. Got that? This is not frustration-free packaging, so hopefully you have a sharp knife or a shear, whatever you prefer. Hopefully the blades are as tough as the clamshell packaging. Let's read the contents of this box before we get it all opened up. So what's included? Well, it includes 2 6-inch wood blades with 5 teeth per inch. 1 wood blade, 9-inch V-axe blade, 5 teeth per inch. 4 metal, 6-inch metal, 24 teeth per inch. 3 metal blades, 6-inch the torch, 14 tooth per inch. 2 metal blades, 6-inch the torch, 18 tooth per inch. And 1 metal blade, 9-inch the torch, 14 teeth per inch. It's a lot of tooths. Or teethus, this is. I gotta tell you, a good scissor would work well. Or a good Sawzall with a blade on it might open this package up quicker. Hashtag just saying. Yo, always, YouTube, if you're watching, knife safety, always cut away from you and towards the guy that's videoing you. Boom. There's that wood with nails, the axe blade. Look at the teeth. See how they're splayed? This is definitely not a thin kerf saw blade. Okay, this is the 9-inch with 5 teeth per inch. Take a look at that though. Just looks substantial. Then we got the torch. This is the axe, this is the torch. We got the 9-inch, 14 tooth per inch. So the axe is good for cutting your woods. The torch is good for cutting your metals. Then we got 3. Whoop, I want it to look all pretty. 6-inch, 14 tooth per inch, the torch. It's your metal blade. And I will say that the axe blades are known for being able to do an efficient job of cutting wood with nails in it. So it would be a good demo blade. Then we're on to our standard 6-inch, 24 tooth per inch metal cutting blade. And then we have our more standard 6-inch, 5 tooth per inch This is wood with nails. I mean, I gotta tell you, and we have 2 of those. We're gonna have to test these out. You know, I think the perfect opportunity to test these blades out would be the upcoming video where we go head to head, okay, with Tool Review Zone in a reciprocating Sawzall showdown, okay? And we're gonna be outfitting our American-made Milwaukee Sawzall with these blades. We're gonna be cutting a variety of different materials. If you haven't seen the video where Tool Review Zone calls us out and we respond, we'll link it here. That's the reason why we bought these beautiful, made in America with global material blades. Finally, let's open this case. What's in here? Oh, there's 2 more The Torch blades, 6-inch, 18 tooth per inch. Pretty cool. It's a nice, well-rounded kit here. This is a nice little case. My Sawzall Organizer Box, my 1 unit has a little compartment inside its hard case to organize blades. Pretty nifty. But I have some cordless units that rest in a box, and quite frankly, you know, it's mixed in with other tools, and so are all the blades, and they're just scattered all over the place. So I gotta tell you, this little plastic hard case seems like it would come in very handy. It's labeled real nicely, Milwaukee Sawzall. I mean, they are the innovators and creators of the reciprocating. This is how I organized it, in case you're interested. The torch and the axe, the 9-inch blades, right? Then we have our 6-inch blades. These are the torch and the torch. They're just different teeth per inch. And then what we have here finally are the standard Sawzall blades, wood and metal. We're gonna situate them there. They'll move around, but overall they'll stay in their little slot, or as the kids say, they'll stay in their lane. Pretty cool. I think this is gonna come in handy. Well, they look good. They're gonna stay organized, but make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification. This way you can see the upcoming video where we show Tool Review Zone who's boss with our Milwaukee Sawzall, where we are going to be featuring these blades in action. Get subscribed. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Did you get this kit on Spring Black Friday at Home Depot? If you did, let us know how you like it. Do you like the case? Do you like the way it organizes your blades? Do you not like it? We want to know. Put it in the comments below. But as always, thanks a lot and have a great day, guys. Oh yeah, if you know somebody that's in the market for a nice Sawzall blade, share this video with them. They'll love you for it. Peace. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.